Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve GATE sample question 2020-22. The product of matrix PQ inverse into P is 4 options are given. So this is the question in the house of linear algebra. At first it is given that PQ whole inverse P, that is equal to, we may write Q inverse P inverse into P. So Q inverse P inverse P, that is equal to Q inverse I, identity show, that is equal to Q inverse. So we reached, it is our required solution, and our correct choice is option B is our correct choice. So this is the whole solution of question 18. Now moving to question 19. So question 19 tells us, consider the following statement: S1 is equal if x1, x2, x3, x4 is linearly independent sequence of vector, then the sequence x1, x2, x3 is linearly independent, and S2 is if x1, x2, x3, x4 is linearly dependent sequence of vector, then sequence x1, x2, x3 is linearly dependent. Which of the following option is true? So this is the question in the house of linear algebra, and it is a sample question for 2020-22. So now first condition, that is x1, x2, x3, x4 are linearly independent. Then kx1 plus k1 x1 plus k2 x2 plus k3 x3 plus k4 x4, that is equal to 0, and k1 is equal to k2 is equal to k3 is equal to k4, that is equal to 0. So this is the condition if it is linearly independent. So it is S1 for applied for S1, and which is applied for S2. So if x1, x2, x3, x4 are linearly dependent, then k1 x1 plus k2 x2 plus k3 x3 plus k4 x4, that is equal to 0, and k1 k2 k3 k4 not, that is equal to not all 0. So this is applied in S2. So from these two concepts we may say it is only S1 is appropriate, as it is not true. So S1, only S1 is our correct choice. So this is the whole solution of question 19. Now moving to question 20. So question 20 tells us, that is all the four enter of a 2 cross 2 matrix P is given here, that is P11, P12, P21, 22 are non-zero, and and one of the eigenvalue of is 0. Which of the following statements is true? Okay, so this is the question in the house of linear algebra, and it is a GATE sample question 2020-22, and it is from eigenvalue. So if P is given here, that is a matrix, we see P11, P12, P21, P22. This is the matrix is given, and here condition 1 is P1 is a 2 cross 2 matrix, and 2 is number of eigen values is equal to, we know, order, that is equal to 2. So lambda 1 comma lambda 2 is equals to 0, and number 3, lambda 1 comma lambda 2 is equal to determinant p. So that is equal to lambda 1 into 0 is equal to determinant p is equal to 0. So that implies p1 p11 p22 minus p12 p21, that is equal to 0. So we reached, it is our required solution, and our right option is p11 p22. So option 3 is our correct choice. So these are the 3 solutions. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box, and also hit the like button. Thank you.